Hello guys, today I'm going to be playing VR chat as Squirm. So yeah, we're going to be playing Among Us, so yeah, hope you enjoy. Okay. I hope that there's some bugs around. Okay. Oh, flip.
Usually criminals who got some Batman shit.
Hello.
The Bay Harbor Butcher members.
Oh, there's a lot.
There we go.
Let's go.
No, it's 2, 2, 2, 6, 7. I did it! Oh, flip. Oh, I got everybody to do that.
You need help?
Yes, please.
Yo. Do like this. Wait. Do like that. Wait. Finish.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
أرحب. إيه رد عليك. قال تعال بس يوصلوا.
Hello.
I am scared to prove I'm innocent.
Welcome. Has anyone died yet?
I may be in a devil costume, but I'm not evil.
Okay, you're innocent.
Yeah.
I can trust you.
I feel like the imposter is the guy with his soundboard who's running around. He was
Yeah.
chasing me before.
Do you that did quite sis. I'll be careful of him.
Yay,
Thank heaven it's not force mute! Thank heaven.
Yeah, I looked before we
I'm scared.
Stabilized steering.
Hello.
What the frick is this pot on?
I have a squirm avatar. Do you want to see it? It comes with a book.
Yeah.
Okay, hold on.
What the fuck with this power, bro?
Here, where'd you go? Okay, here it is.
Square mommy.
I'm just really small. There's my avatar
Before
on.
we ride this thing, I'm gonna ride you. My pony, my horse.
Look,
Let's go chase home. It's my pony, my horse.
if I put it next to my mouth, it actually eats it.
Oh, that's so cute.
It's You should clone this one. It's really good.
Okay.
Huh?
Yeah, your tail has physically moved.
Do you want this avatar? You can have it.
I've cloned it already. I'm gonna go do some
Anyway,
of my
let me send you
tasks.
back.
Did you not see my ball? Ow.
Oh.
I could do this. I'll protect you.
Oh, wait. Come on, son!
You got it?
I mean, I have.
You got it?
You got it?
Do you want help?
Hurry, Sonic.
You need
I'm
help?
scared.
You need help?
I'm scared.
Sword, do you need help?
El otro.
He picked. He didn't pick. We're dead.
I
We're
cannot
dead.
do this.
We're dead. We're dead. We're dead. We're dead. We're dead. We're dead.
3, 2,
Beauty.
crap!
I did it.
I'm a coordinate!
Okay, I've got clear asteroids.
I see one. Can you clear me? Like, can you want me to?
Clear too. Oh, flip, 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 flip.
Releasing cleared.
I've gotta go start reactor. No, I messed it up on the last one. There we go. And now, oh, flip me. There we go.
Guard. Where's my dang guard, bruh? Where's my guard?
I think that's all my tasks. I did all my tasks.
No, my guard ain't dead. Guard, are you dead?
Okay, then you could go to a calf.
Oh, no,
Actually, no, I have
My
to.
guard ain't dead.
Wait, no, I am not done
I'm
yet.
alive.
I have one
Oh my
more
God.
on the other side there. Okay, I finished tasks. I'm finished. I'm finished.
Where's my dang guard?
Okay, I'll come. Oh, flip!
Oh, there you are. Squirm, you got it?
I actually did something.
Did it? Okay.
I actually did something for once.
Oh, yeah, we actually got it this time. Heck yeah. Who just vented? I don't see anymore.
What?
Guard.
What happened?
Guard.
What
Guard.
happened?
You already know I'm cleared, right?
No. I mean, yes, you did. You did scan. You did
cleared,
scan.
okay?
I mean, yeah, you did scan.
Yeah.
I forgot for a
What
second.
happened?
Who vented? Who vented?
Guys,
Who do we suspect?
I was walking around the haunted thing.
I was entering the code. I actually entered the code.
She entered the code. I walked. I made sure somebody was entering the code. Then I walked over to that to make sure somebody was actually doing the code.
Who do we expect? Wait, someone died. Crimson died.
Here we gonna vote.
Okay.
We were fine. I'm skip voting.
Here I skip. I know someone else who is
though?
I know someone else who is clear.
I'm clear.
I know someone else who is clear. I know
back shuttles.
I know.
What about this guy?
I know somebody who is cleared. Before the O2.
Wait, listen, everybody. We should go.
Before the enter code went off, she told me she was gonna do scan.
We listen to the pyramid and me here, okay, people? If you're done with your tasks and your teams are, you stay in the cafeteria.
I don't have a team.
I have scan. This person has scan.
I don't have
This person has scan.
I don't have a team.
That's what we're saying. What if we pair?
I don't have a pair.
I know.
With crew.
So if we go into teams of two,
everybody, then the imposter, if they're with somebody and they kill that person, then we'll know who the imposter is.
But we're a group of three.
But you sound the plan so you're not getting
scan, guys, I will be in here.
Sound the plan.
Okay, I already saw you do it,
We
so
have
I know
your
you're
tips.
fine.
I don't have scans.
scans.
I've
So if
done
you
all my
need
tasks.
a witness, I am a witness.
I've done all my tasks
Guys, we should
already.
be doing it.
Oh my god, someone just died.
What the crap? They were right beside me, but I did not. It's my guard! It was my gang guard. Oh no?
How?
Who was
Oh,
it?
you're still a lifeguard.
I was-
Okay. I thought you were dead.
I was just talking
How?
to you about doing all my tasks, and then I turned around and saw that dead body.
Guard was dead, okay? He's my
I
guard.
was dead.
Who we
I thought I was
voting?
dead. I
Guys,
thought I
I'm
was
just
dead.
guessing who it is at this point. It has to be somebody who's in that room because right next to the body. Even my controller
Yeah,
was like.
I was telling you how I finished all my tasks, and then I turned around and saw that dead.
Yeah, like I need a personally. Me personally, I just have my menu. Plus, it was a stack kill a little, so I'm going to skip vote because I don't really know what's going on at the time.
Yeah.
So just skip, I
At
think.
this time, because like
I think we should just skip.
yeah, just skip. We don't have enough evidence. He's on PC. He's on PC, so we have to be careful of PC
Still, why'd you vote for spoke? You knew they were clear.
Guys, we need teams, so we know who it is. Just go
Shall
back
we
in.
team?
Yeah, you can stay here with me. I'm gonna watch everyone do scan TV.
Okay, we know it's not.
Okay, you're cleared.
Stand back to the entrance.
I've finished all my tasks, so like, yeah.
Exactly who died.
I like my personal space here. I even stand over here away from you, put my hands down. I put my controller down. God, are you done with all your tasks?
I think I have one more.
Okay,
Yeah, I have one.
Go do it, then return back here. Yes, you are. You are, my friend. Spook, you are cleared.
I think I'm gonna go watch the cams.
Here, go watch. You are cleared. Are you gonna clear yourself or something, bro? Cause I'm gonna put my controllers down and they don't get expected. Yes. We got a puppy?
Oh, I saw the door shut. The door shut. What's that? What's that?
The pyramid dude. Oh, it's a Dorito. I'm staying in my dang corner, bro. Yes, bro.
Wait, hold on. Hold on. Okay.
Crewmates, there's one
I have
plus among
empty
us,
shoe.
bro.
I have empty shoe. I can clear.
Dang it. Oh my god. I just said it was right.
The seal is freaking vented. The seal vented. What the frack? I didn't vent.
This is gonna take a while.
Yeah, that's not the one.
I need to do this.
In right now. It's literally in a seal.
There we go. I did it.
Wait, that one's fixed. Guys. Oh my god.
Oh no! He
Guys,
killed!
guys.
He killed!
Wait, it wasn't a seal. Can you
It
with me?
wasn't me. I did
I
vent.
love dying.
How
The
did you?
seal's okay, guys.
Oh no, yeah, he lagged out.
Guys, I have empty shoes. I have empty shoe. I have empty shoe. I have empty shoe.
I just had the most. I just had the worst voice crack ever.
What's happening?
Guys, I could clear. I could clear. I could clear.
Was anybody like near the area when this happened?
I saw a list.
I don't even know where it was. I was just doing my.
I didn't know we already repaired. I was still an admin. I didn't know we already repaired the dang thing.
I was just doing like my task while having the most weird voice crack in my life.
Let's just.
Goes to save yourself from voice cracks, just call him out. Be like, oh, I had a voice crack. It works.
Anyway,
I
can
guess you're
y'all
right.
watch me do empty shoe?
Yeah.
Guys,
Okay.
all teams of 2. Let's make up teams of 2 before we continue.
Alright, I'll go. Wait, I'm not gonna do it. I want to wait for people. Okay.
I've got swipe card next.
Go over. Go over.
Oh, flip. Quickly do it.
There.
There we go. I've got this one. Who killed?
Iron Man! Guys, it's Iron Man! You guys believe me? It's Iron Man! I just watched him kill!
No. Hold on, let me clear myself real quick. It could be the seal or it could be him.
Iron
But I
Man?
don't know. I blocked the seal, so I personally didn't know.
The seal is not the killer!
What if
because he just. I was
Listen.
with him when they got
Hear me out.
killed!
You see how he's overreacting? That's what imposters do. So it's either the seal or him. You never know, dude.
It's
He's
Iron Man.
saying it like that because he saw you kill. At
I
least
know
from
it's not
his
you.
POV.
Do you
I
believe
know
the
it's not
evidence?
you.
Wait, how's the seal here?
Exactly. You didn't say anything. You
Kinda.
didn't answer my question. So it's either him or the seal. Which one? Or we skip a vote?
I tell you, you killed the seal.
Listen.
Are we skipping vote? Which
Listen.
one?
It's Iron Man, guys!
Nah.
Guys, just vote Iron Man, and if it's not him, we're voting Bill.
You see, it's kinda odd.
This guy or this?
I blocked King because he got in my face.
Who's Iron Man?
Just saying.
Alright, bye-bye, Iron Man.
Who is
Fucking
that
weird
guy?
ass kids. Goddamn.
This guy?
I get bored the fucking
Focus
playing
here.
Crew Motorfest, get on the game. Interact by little British
Bro, I
kids.
don't even know.
Guys, vote.
Oh, it was
weird.
him.
Yeah! I think we won, guys.
That was. I am actually. Even though I don't.
Yeah!
We did it.
You can't see. They can't see you, and you can't see them. I can't. Oh, that's right. Oh. Okay, the emo Bill is good. Emo
I did not
Bill is
expect to
good.
see that. I did not expect to see that when I walked in. Hello. Dada dada.
Out of form.
How much time was on the thing again?
I feel like I'm gonna have a voice crack again.
That's very valid.
Upload data.
I heard a scream and then they just got cut off or something.
Maybe they
Electrical.
died. You go check electrical. I'll come with you. I'll come with you just in case.
Being the seals is hide. I don't know why.
Okay.
I'll go further in. There's nothing here.
Okay,
Tired, do I need
Maybe it was someone playing.
what areas are around electrical? In here?
I'm gonna go
Okay,
this way.
Maybe using comms? No.
I have
Down
an
here.
empty
I mean, I
chute.
do have tasks.
I have
okay.
empty chute and clear asteroids.
You do? You can get it cleared then. Okay, do that one, then you could go do the one over there to get cleared.
There we go. And I've got to go over there.
Go do it. can both be cleared this
Guys,
round, I'm pretty
guys,
sure.
I'm gonna clear myself right here. I'm gonna clear myself.
Yeah, go ahead and clear yourself. Hello, God.
Do it, Squirm.
Oh, shit.
Hey, no, Squirm, let go of it. Oh, never mind, you both did it, you
Are
both.
you serious?
It went one at a time.
Oh my god, it's this.
Wait, it was Vaughn. It was Vaughn. It was Vaughn.
Who?
Vaughn.
So who's
It
it?
is about this guy.
Who's that?
It was
Vaughn.
right behind it.
Who's
I'm saying his
Vaughn?
last name. Cam Vaughn.
It's me, bro. It's me. Vaughn, can you not see it's me?
Oh,
Oh my god.
That was a
Fuck you? Okay, I'll vote you.
Can we make it like... This is just... At least doing...
Goodbye, everyone. Thanks for watching.